Hi, I'm Summer Turfe and I teach early childhood here at University Liggett School. I've been a Reggio Emilia inspired educator for almost 20 years. Today, I want to share something that's a big part of our classroom, loose parts. Loose parts are one of the key elements of the Reggio Emilia approach we use in our learning environment. These are open-ended materials that children can explore and create with, such as sticks, shells, buttons, or even bottle caps. Sometimes we set them up as provocations or invitations where children design and arrange the materials. You never really know what they'll come up with. We've seen animals, gardens, even entire stories unfold. Sometimes we guide their exploration a little bit more, and once I asked the child to count the bottle caps. She counted and used one-to-one correspondence. Then I asked her to give me 8 bottle caps. And then I said, I wonder, who has more, me or you? She laughed and said, I do. I said, I wonder, how do you know? She counted her pile and said, because 12 is bigger. I felt like she wanted to continue playing. Then I asked her to give me 5 bottle caps. And then I said, can you show me another way to make 5? And she grouped 3 and 2. 3 and 2 make 5. I said, show me another way to make 5. And she did. She moved one over and said 4 and 1. Through this simple interaction, I could see her understanding of one-to-one correspondence and what else? Number sense and early math concepts, all while playing with something as simple as bottle caps.